One sunny day, Pippi the fuzzy panda, Ray Ray the pink reindeer, and Momo the blue monkey were playing fun games together.
Yay, fun time!
Wait another second. Where's Ricky the tiger?
Ricky, where are you?
Suddenly, Ricky jumped out from the bushes and yelled.
Boo!
When they saw it was Ricky, they all laughed and said,
Good one, Ricky. It's so funny. Silly Ricky.
Suddenly, Momo had an idea. Hey guys, you know what would be really spooky and fun? A costume party.
Ooh.
Ray Ray said, let's go home and prepare our costumes and come back in 30 minutes. And they all went home. 30 minutes later, they all came back to the same place. Wow, everyone looked amazing. Ray Ray was a truck driver.
Beep beep. Honk honk. Coming through.
Pippi was a carpenter.
I can saw wood and build houses.
Ricky dressed up as a policeman.
I catch bad guys. Boom boom, yeah.
Momo dressed up as a doctor.
I can help sick people feel better.
Let's get this party started, said Ray Ray.
Woo! Woo woo! Let's get this party started.
With lots of dancing and playing games, the animals had the most fabulous costume party.
Great idea, Ray Ray.
The end.
Like and subscribe. See you next week, amigos.